In this video, we're going to be talking about Builderall's affiliate program for 2020. I'm Ben, and you're hanging out with Make Simple Income. And real quick, I want to tell you about a cool bonus I got for you. I think you guys are going to really like, so make sure you stick around to the end. And without further ado, let's get into this. So, number one, for you guys that don't know, what is Builderall? Builderall is a marketing suite with everything under one roof, which makes it really, really nice because you have your email marketing, your squeeze pages, all your funnels, done for you funnels, has webinars. You can even set up websites. You can also have e-commerce stores with your own checkout. You can even start training courses and charge for training and all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty good, right? It has all these tools underneath one roof and for like an amazing price as well. So we'll go over the Builder, the Marketer, the Essential, and the Premium, which the Premium is $69.90 and you get everything. And that's one of the reasons why they have a high stick rate and the people stay with Builderall for a long time, is because the value that Builderall offers its customers is phenomenal for the price. Anywhere else, like say you go to ClickFunnels, it's $97 a month, and you still got to get either Aweber or GetResponse if you want to collect emails. Where here, $69.90, you get everything. I think like the whole premium package at ClickFunnels is $297. So you can see the value that Builderall offers its customers, and that's one of the reasons why the customers stay around for a long time. You know, no matter whether you're just a customer looking to build a website, you have like a business, you want to put a website together, or whether you want to promote it, or you're using it to promote ClickBank products and JVZoo and stuff like that. It makes it really nice. So let's talk about the affiliate program, and what also makes that really attractive too is if you go over here, you get 100% commissions on your first sale. So if you do sell the $69.99 package, you will get 100% of your first sale on that. And then after that, it's 30% reoccurring commissions. I don't know about you, but reoccurring is where it's all at. And with Builderall, you can build yourself a real business. You know, you're not like promoting ClickBank and like we're talking about JVZoo. I mean, you're constantly chasing money, chasing customers. Where here your customers stay, you're building a legitimate business. And then they have the second tier system as well. So what that means over here at the second tier is, say you have 5 customers and Builderall, one of them decides to become an affiliate, and they get a customer under them. So they will get 100% of that first month. Then after that, besides your first customer, you will get 30% off of their customer that they brought in as well every month. But it's just 2 tiers. That's it. It's not MLM. It's not a pyramid scheme. That's where it stops, 2 tiers. But as you can see, that can like compound real fast. And that's also one of the reasons why I really like promoting Builderall, and I stay with Builderall as a company. I like what they stand for. They're, like I said, for the value they offer is like really good. So let's check out their compensation program here like this. So this is the hypothetical numbers. This is just in my back office. You can kind of calculate your earnings and how many people you think you could bring in or whatever. It doesn't really make a difference. So we're just going to start off small. So let's do 50. You bring in 50 customers. Right there you got it at the $69.90. That's the premium. You got about $1,050 a month coming in on autopilot now with 50 people. Say out of those 50, 10 of them decide to become affiliates. Okay, you're still at the same amount. And say out of that 10, they get 5 people underneath them. Right now, you're at $2,097 a month. That's pretty good. I mean, think about it. Majority of Americans, what do they make? $2,500 a month in their job, if they're lucky. So I mean, that you can see the power right there. You know, you want to get crazy with them, or let's get totally stupid. Let's say you want to bring in, say you bring in 200 people within the next year and a half, right? Year and a half of work. 10 of those, and that's it, just the top number. You still have the same numbers above them. You're up to 52. And say 20% now become, I mean not 20%, 20 of them decide to become affiliates with 5. Now you're up to 62.9. Let's move this up. Let's say 8 of these. Now you're at, I mean, look at that. Right there, that's like, think about that. That's life changing. You're not going to a 9 to 5 anymore, right? Tell me if I'm wrong. That's good money right there. And it's just one program. And the nice thing with Builderall, if you still want to promote other systems, you still want to go out and promote stuff on, you want to do some advertising, promote stuff on Facebook through ClickBank and JVZoo and Max Bounty, you could build all your landing pages. You could build your email. You could build your squeeze page. You got everything. So you could keep your business in one single hub. and which is nice. So remember I told you I had some nice bonuses for you? Well, check it out. So if you want to become part of Builderall as an affiliate, I have an offer for you guys. This is our partner Chad. He's our top marketer. He's like the #1 affiliate of Builderall at the moment. So what you get if you come in with us, see there he is, #1, is we give a ton of value here. We give you training, there's testimonies. You'll see this page and everything. And Barbie Figueroa, and these are all part of our group. They're all in Builderall. They're doing fantastic. And so what you get is we get a ton of training. So what we want to do is, if you come in with Builderall, is we want to make sure you succeed with this company. When you become a partner, we want to make sure you have all the tools to succeed. We want to help you succeed, because the thing is like, as you see with the second tier system, if you make money, we make money. So it's a win-win. I mean, so we all want to work together. We have over 80 hours of training with the got done for you campaign. So we got 3 of those right now, with all the landing pages done, the email funnels. The emails are all pre-written. Just got to put your name, change a few things, so you can be up and running fast. That's one thing we want you guys to be up and running fast, like within 2 days. We have all the training on there on Builderall. I mean, Builderall itself offers you all the training too on their tools. So do we. We give you all training. We also give you a free group that we have, Telegram group. It's a live group, private group. We're in there all the time. And then we do live conferencing every week on Wednesdays. So we have everything you need to be successful in Builderall. So all you need to do is join with us, become part of Builderall, and we'll work together and we'll help you. And if you find this valuable, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment. If you want to go further, you can get in touch with me. We can do a Skype call if you want to talk a little bit more about Builderall and what it has to offer. But remember, this can be a life-changing company for yourself, because we provide you with all the training, all the tools you need. Builderall has all the tools you need. We're all here for each other. And if you, like I said, if you're thinking about it, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Once again, like and subscribe. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you on the next video.